In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Barclays card payments. By the end, you'll know exactly which route to take and how to make sure the cancellation goes through on time. The key is first understanding what type of payment you're dealing with, because the steps are different depending on that. Start by identifying whether the payment is a direct debit or a recurring card payment. A direct debit is when you've given a company permission to pull money directly from your bank account on agreed dates. Think utilities or memberships taken via your sort code and account number. A recurring card payment, sometimes called a continuous payment authority, is when a retailer charges your debit or credit card on a schedule. This is common for online subscriptions. If it's a direct debit, open the Barclays app or sign in to online banking. Go to Manage Payments, then select Manage Direct Debits. You'll see a list of companies that are set up to collect. Find the one you want to stop, open it, and choose Cancel. You should see a confirmation on screen. It's a good idea to save or screenshot this for your records. Cancelling a direct debit stops future collections from that company through your account. It doesn't reverse payments already taken, and it won't automatically cancel any agreement you have with the company, so you may want to let them know you've stopped the mandate to avoid service issues. If it's a recurring card payment, the process is different. Because the merchant holds your card details and bills you directly, you'll need to contact the retailer and ask them to cancel the subscription or recurring charge. Request written confirmation so you have proof the billing has been stopped. If the retailer doesn't cancel it or keeps charging you, call Barclays and ask them to block the recurring card payment to that specific merchant. Barclays can stop those future charges for up to 25 months. This prevents new payments from going through, but it doesn't end your contract with the retailer, so keep pursuing a cancellation or refund with them if needed. Timing matters. To make sure the cancellation takes effect before the next payment, act before 5:30 p.m. at least one working day before the due date. For example, if a payment is scheduled for Friday, aim to cancel by 5:30 p.m. on Thursday at the latest, and even earlier if there's a bank holiday. That's it. Identify the payment type, follow the right path, and confirm before the cutoff. Afterward, keep an eye on your statements to make sure no further payments are taken.